Hi, I'm Naomi.
I'm Jane.
I'm Natalia.
Today we'll be reading The Engineers by HerStory Foundation and illustrated by Humaira Kabir.
Have you ever been told you can't do something for no good reason? How did it make you feel? Small and powerless, right? That is how the Supergirls Khalida Sharia Kabir, Monawara Begum, and Shirin Sultana Chumki felt when they were told they could not study engineering because they were girls. But they were not ready to give up just like that. Together, they set out to prove that girls can study anything and became the first female civil engineering students in East Pakistan. Do you know what civil engineers do? They build big structures for cities and design bridges and roads. Khalida, Monawara, and Shirin dream of studying at the East Pakistan University of Engineering and Technology, but there was only one problem. No girls had ever been admitted to the civil engineering department. The vice chancellor believed that the subject was not suitable for women. He told the girls to study architecture instead. This was a more feminine subject, and they could draw and design pretty houses. The three friends did not agree.
To prove that girls are just as good at engineering as boys, the three friends sat for the admission exam amidst whispers and mean words, and they passed with very great marks. The vice chancellor could not say no anymore. And so it was that in 1964, Khalida, Monawara, and Shirin became the first female students of the civil engineering department. On the first day of class, Khalida, Monawara, and Shirin walked into the classroom, shocking all the boys. Some tried to say mean things, some were too nice, and others treated them with respect. The girls were good students. They listened, asked good questions, and learned to work the machines. They proved that the university is for women and men, and there is no such thing as a female or male subject.
After graduating, Khalida joined the water board and worked on building dams. Monawara became a chemical engineer, and Shirin worked as an engineer in the United States. But their biggest achievement was the day that they changed the mind of the vice chancellor. The three friends did not take no for an answer, and like true supergirls, they opened the door for others. Because in engineering, as in all things, teamwork makes the dream work. Here ends the story. Reading is important because it helps expand the mind and give us more ideas. It develops our imagination and allows us to dream and think in ways that we would never have been able to do before reading.